How the black box has made air travel safer. In 1958, a British firm bought the rights to David Warren's invention and began making flight recorders. In 1960, a crash in Queensland killed 29 people. This was why Australia started to require the use of flight recorders on all aircraft. The UK then phased in the use of black boxes from 1965. Warren's flight recorder was designed around 70 years ago, so naturally, it has gone through some changes. Modern types feature beacons that activate in water to help people find them. There's also a desire for future models to connect to satellites so that the data is always available. Today, all commercial aircraft are required to have flight recorders. David Warren's device has helped with the investigations of hundreds of plane crashes. In many cases, black boxes have resolved the mysteries of the causes of crashes. This has helped prevent accidents and paved the way for safer air travel for us all.